Hello YouTube, this is Don from hzscribe, and I am here for my first journal entry in my Being Busy Awesome book, which I've showed you previously how I altered it, and now I'm going to alter this page because it starts with June when it should be January 2022 instead of June 2021. And the first of the year was actually on Saturday, so I'm going to do 1 and 2 here, and then going forward, you know, of course I would change the month and the numbers and things like that. So I don't know quite everything I'm going to do, but I will put it on fast forward and we will go from there. I think I'm not going to put anything else on it at this point. I think I'm just going to go ahead into writing the scriptures that I want, the 2 that I'm going to write. And I believe I have enough room. And then I probably will do some more stamping after that. But for right now, I think I have enough to get everything going. Of course, I have to put with the stamps, the verse in the chapter. So one of the things that I am doing, which I don't think I mentioned, is that I read the Bible chronologically each year. Like I did last year, my scripture writing, I wrote them based on my chronological reading. And I'm going to do the same thing here. So, of course, the first of the year, I'm starting off in the book of Genesis. Hence, that's why I have that. So I'm going to do a verse for the Saturday and Sunday that I chose. And then I may write a little prayer in here. I'm going to see. And I may come back and do a little bit of stamping around things. But we will see what that turns out to be like. And then we will be all set. That doesn't look good. Let me take that up. And then hopefully, and I'm not an artist, and my penmanship is not the best, but that's okay. That's why I'm decorating the page to make it look a little better. But I am going to do sort of like a doodle with my 2 scriptures, and I will be using different pens, different things like that throughout the course of this. But this will get us started for 2020. So I'm going to put it on fast forward, and I will finish my writing and come back and read it. Okay, so I am back, and as you can see, I made a boo-boo, but we're gonna still work with it. So this is my layout. I like how it turned out. So I covered the initial January 2021. I didn't put the date, the year, but I did stamp out January here. Put down various stickers. I said delight today, work, because in Genesis, you know, God did a lot of work. Awesome, being busy being awesome, because God was busy being awesome. And this is post-worthy because he's the creator. We didn't get here randomly or from an explosion. We got from his word, because that's why it's called universe, one verse, because God spoke into existence, and that's how we came. Hence the word universe. This is his verse, his word, and we manifested. So he rules, and again work, and I just dated this one's Saturday 1, and then I put Genesis 1:3 and Genesis 3:15. Unfortunately, I wrote them in the wrong spot. But I already know that, so I don't have to. I'm not going to rewrite anything out. Well, I could, but I'm not going to worry about it because I'll probably make it worse if I do. But these are written the wrong ones, but I know both of these by heart. It says, so Genesis 1:3, which should have been written here. I don't know why I did that. That's why I had the lamp right here. It says, and God said, let there be light. And then right here for Genesis 3:15, which is a very important scripture. This is the first prophecy about the Messiah. This is the first prophecy about a continual war. This is the first prophecy that goes contrary to what everyone says, that everyone is created in God's image. There's his seed and the woman's seed. It says, and I will put enmity between thee and the woman, and between thy seed, meaning the devil has his minions here on the earth, and her seed. It shall bruise thy head, and that's my little snake right there, and thou shalt bruise his heel, my little foot right there, my little heel. So go back and read this. This is the Proto-Evangelium. This is the first prophecy in the Bible. Very important scripture. When people think that there's not a war going on, there is a spiritual war going on. Why do you think a lot of businesses and establishments name all of their product and stuff, or their logos represent false deities from the pantheon of all of these mythological, quote unquote, creatures? If you look at their logos, look at their symbols, they let you know which seed they are from. You really got to wake up and see that. But anyway, this is my spread. I love it. It's starting out, and this is what I have here. And actually, I want to put a little bit more on the word light, because light should be underlined. I mean, highlighted. Well, that's not the best marker. I won't be using highlighter. But anyway, so that are my scriptures for this, and this is my first spread of the new year. I will be posting those pictures on hzscribe, so on IG and on my Pinterest as well. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And if you're doing the same thing, please leave your channel, well, make a comment below, and I will come check out your channel as well. And I dare you to write your scriptures. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.